Welcome, fellow salespersons of all makes, models, and brands, and thank you so much for tuning into the Sales Bible, your go-to place for upgrading, updating, and reinvigorating your selling styles and techniques. Let me introduce myself. My name is Chance, and with my colleague Alan, we're going to take you on a journey and provide with you many lessons on how to become the number one salesperson. It is our job and the goal of this channel to turn the cars on your lot into cold, hard cash for your pocket. After all, that's the name of the game. We turn metal into money, essentially. Now, what is this channel going to focus on in particular? So, the biggest and key focus will be cash flow. How to get customers to give you money for your product and service. We're also going to be focusing on time management and money management. And the third focus of this channel is going to be one of mindset, making sure you're always geared towards making that next dollar and helping you by giving you tips on how to prevent burnout. Without further ado, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls of all shapes and sizes, let's get going and let's start selling.